Are you looking to start investing but don't know where to start? Well, the first thing that you must learn is where you can buy and sell different securities on the market. And the answer to that is the online brokers. So after spending many hours to learn and search about the best Canadian online brokers, I've made a top 5 of the best Canadian online brokers for Canadians looking to start investing, but also for intermediate and advanced investors. And so I'll be giving a 1 to 5 stars rating to all of these brokers. Now, here are my results. The first broker on my list is Questrade. This online broker has been a favorite for Canadian investors over the years because of its low management fees, but also because of its easy to use features. Indeed, with Questrade, you can trade stocks, ETFs, and options for as little as $4.95 per trade, and with a maximum of $9.95 per trade. One interesting point about this broker is that despite paying some slight fees when you're selling different ETFs, well, when you're gonna buy these kind of investment vehicles, you're not gonna pay any kinds of fees. This means that you can freely build a strong and a solid ETFs portfolio in this website. However, keep in mind that the minimum balance that you must have in your portfolio is $1,000, and add to those transaction fees by the interval of between $1,000 to over $99,999, you're gonna pay some management fees of about 0.25% of your total value of your portfolio. And when you're gonna reach $100,000 or more of portfolio value, those management fees are gonna drop to 0.20%. Plus, you don't have any kinds of unexpected fees when you're opening an account with them. Nevertheless, in my research, I've noticed one negative point that has been talked a lot lately by their many customers, and that has also massively impacted their Google Play ratings, and it is the lack of customer service. In fact, by reading the many comments on this application, I've noticed that there were many customers of this broker that were not even able to log in on the website. However, Questrade still has about $30 billion of assets under management and is still able to open over 250,000 new accounts per year, and so it would still be a great option for many Canadians, and it is why I'm giving them a 3.5 stars rating. Next up on my list is Wealthsimple Trade. This online broker has gained a lot of popularity lately, notably because of its commission-free transactions. This means that every time that you want to trade a stock, an option, or even an ETF, you don't have to pay any commission fees. However, compared to Questrade, this broker currently has 2 times the management fees of them. For example, in the interval of between $0 and $99,999 of your portfolio value, you'll pay a management fee of about 0.50%. And after, when you're gonna reach $100,000 or more, you're gonna pay some management fee of about 0.40%. Yet, as you can see, there are no minimum amount needed to start investing with this platform, and so at the same time, it is pretty much one of the best platforms that you can find out there for beginners that are starting to invest. Add to this, Wealthsimple also offers the possibility to trade different cryptocurrencies in Canada, which is a pretty unique solution over here. And on their side, they are also offering a robo-advisor managed solution to their different customers. This is a way for them to make different financial planning services that will be made by a robot from a different algorithm perspective. And judging by their incredible 4.5 stars rating on the Google Play application, we can also see that their customer service and their application is quite interesting for the new investors. So to summary, Wealthsimple is a great platform for any beginners that don't want to pay any commission fees and that still don't have a lot of money invest in the market yet. And for that reason, I'll give them a great quotation of 4.5 stars. Now we'll be entering in the banking online broker sector, and it is why I've decided to pick the TD online platform as my first option. This broker offers a wide variety of investment options such as stocks, bonds, ETFs, and options. On your side, you can expect to pay some fees of between $7 to $9.99 per stock trade and $8.25 to $11.24 per option trade. In fact, the amount of fee that you'll pay by transaction will depend on how many transactions are you making per quarter. If you are a standard trader, meaning that you are making less than 150 transactions per month, you'll be paying the highest fee. And on the upper end, if you're making over 150 transactions per quarter, you're gonna pay less fee. Plus, if you have $15,000 or less in an account, you're gonna pay an extra management fee of about $25 per quarter. But despite that, TD is offering great dividend reinvestment plans for many kinds of stocks and ETFs, and they also give you access to some of the best educational tools that will help you to make the best decisions in terms of investment. So on this side, this option could be pretty interesting for advanced investors, but also for different day traders. Add to this, they also have a great 4.1 stars rating on the App Store, showing a great customer satisfaction for their application. Nevertheless, even if they are giving some great analytic tools for the advanced investors, I still believe that with those high costs that you will have to pay per transaction, especially for the beginners, it might not be the best option for you. And so it is why for TD, I'm giving them a 3 stars rating. Now, the fourth pick on my list is the CIBC Investor Edge. As the other broker on this list, CIBC is also giving you the opportunity to trade different stocks, options, and ETFs. However, compared to TD, you're gonna pay some lower transaction fees of about $6.95 per stock or per ETF, and $8.2 when trading options. And on their side, this broker has no minimum limit to start investing. And if you decide to open a TFSA or an RESP, you will have no management fees to pay. However, if you have less than $25,000 in your RRSP or less than $10,000 in a non-registered account, well, you'll pay an annual management fee of $100. And on their side, their clients rating of only 3.4 stars are showing pretty moderate comments on it. But personally, if I was a beginner trying to start to invest, I would personally prioritize this platform compared, for example, to TD, notably because of its lower transaction fee, and it is why I'm giving it a 3.5 stars rating. And finally, the last broker on my list is the BMO InvestorLine. This broker is described as a great online trading platform that goes beyond just point-and-click trading by offering you the benefits of industry-leading research, expert analysis, and advanced investment tools to help you invest with confidence. So, by this description, it should be an incredible broker. However, despite having no minimum amount needed to start investing, you'll pay a massive $9.95 of commission per transaction. And once again, if you don't have $25,000 or more of value in your portfolio, you're gonna pay some annual management fee of $100 per year. And just like CIBC, you can see that the global rating of the customers of only 3.8 stars are showing some pretty moderate comments. But personally, with those higher fees that are however lower compared to TD's fees, but knowing the fact that this particular broker doesn't have the knowledge and the information that TD has, I'd be giving them the same rating as TD, so a 3 stars rating. So here you have it. Those are some of the most popular Canadian online brokers and, in my opinion, some of the best on the market. If I was a beginner and that I was trying to start investing, I would personally choose as my first option Wealthsimple and after Questrade. Nevertheless, I am currently using another broker that is called Disnat that is quite more convenient for me personally, because in fact on their side they have no trading fees as well, and at the same time they have the convenience to be pretty much linked to my bank. So on your side, let me know in the comment section if you want a part 2 of the best Canadian online broker that I haven't talked about in this video. But now that you've found what are the best online brokers to use in Canada, you might be wondering, hey, but Louis, what are the best Canadian stocks that I can buy right now? Well, to find the answer to this question, check out the video that's gonna be right over here, and I will see you soon. Peace.